And do what the hell? Mm, always sucks. Mm, mm. I mean, did bounce off that 6.8, so that has to be the. Let me see what that looks like. Mm, 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 mm. Hey, what's up, Alfred? What's up, Game Weight? What's up? You know I'm looking for a short. You know I'm looking for a good entry short. 81. Probably like at the top of this range right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put my short at the top of this range. Yeah, I'm gonna put my short at the top of that range. I don't think we get a short right here. I think that'll be too obvious. And then plus the EMAs are all sloped up. The bears won't be able to use the EMAs to help them short this thing down. So I think this will probably continue to pump up. The ES though, I'm gonna try for a short. I think 620 might be it, but I'm gonna try to front run that. Try to front run it. Yeah, I think this will probably be a good area for the ES 620. I mean, at least for a pullback. Yeah. Yeah, I think I got a good entry. I think I have a good little spot. I mean, unless they're trying to sell it now, which will kind of make me sad, but oh shit, my bad. Hey, what's up, man?
Yo, what up? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right. Yeah. What's the status? I took the short at like around 560, 561.
561.
My first short was 559, then I scaled into 562, and then yeah, then I had to wait because I was like, oh shoot. I was like, damn, is this thing about to go? But then I'm looking at ES and I was like, man, nah, heck no. It's so flat up here at the highs.
Mm-hmm.
Like I at least gonna get my short on NQ. You know NQ gonna overshoot an ES move.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So
that's why I kind of got my I mean, I'm starting my short all the way up there at 6, what is it? At 980-ish, 990. 980-ish, 990. We'll see what happens at the bottom of that range is where I got my orders sitting at.
wait, you said up there?
I mean, I just got it sitting there just in case it gets up there cuz I was thinking about shortening it right now. I thought to myself, I was like, man, that might be kind of just too obvious. So I was like, dude, whatever, man. I'll just I guess I'll be patient on it.
Will say that they they front ran VWAP,
Mm-hmm.
front ran it. So I know people was expecting it to get there and get out. If they didn't get out, they
Crying right now.
probably yeah, they probably feeling some type of way right now.
Mm-hmm.
What up, Alfred? But when I was looking at it, I was like, yo, oh, here we go again with this BS with NQ and ES being like kind of uncorrelated.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm like, okay, NQ over here overshooting it. which is true. But then I'm like, ES is not really trying to move from this area, so that's what got me thinking. Like, damn, am I on the wrong side of this? I'm like, let me hold a little bit longer and find out. I just need a couple points. It ain't like I'm shooting for a dump or nothing. But
Mhm.
I got my points and I'm done. I made 380.
Yeah, congratulations on that. All you gotta do is wait for the time, right?
Yeah, now I just got time. Well, yeah, I still got to take trades, but I'll be in micros doing that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Man, what the hell?
Anyway, he said he's short. He said he's short now. You don't care.
Man, I was thinking about getting in short right now, man, but dude, I'll just wait on the ES short. I'll just wait till 620, man. I'll wait till it gets to the top of this range. Cause I was like, dude, there ain't no point. I mean, you already shot past 608, so you might as well just get back in the top of this range and then dump. But that's just wishful. That's wishful thinking at this point, because this thing can just keep going.
It yeah, it ES does look suspicious to me though. Like it could straight up just keep going, and you know it's gonna take NQ with it,
Mm-hmm.
or at least that's the theory. But
Yep.
NQ looking kind of different right now. But then I don't trust NQ, so
Who does? Who does trust her? Who does? But I ain't gonna lie, man. That does look like a little. That does look like a potential double top here on the Nasdaq. But man, these EMAs are still sloping up. So if the bears do get a drop, the bulls will just buy this up. So honestly, I guess what this could be a possible entry to go long right here. If we see a pullback back into this area, then maybe I should consider going long with maybe a tight stop, probably under R1, probably not a full stop, but a half stop. Because you know it's not going to fill a gap. Because if it fills a gap, it's a trap on the NASDAQ.
yeah, it's a trap. That's catchy.
And you know, she
The
fills the
first
gap the first time. Yep. It's a trap. You know how I mean, dude, it's so crazy that you can just say, you know what, she's just too toxic to fill that gap and run up. No, she's just too toxic for that. She feels that gap as a trap. That shit going lower. She's just too toxic for that. If this is a real long, she'll front run the shit out of that damn gap and keep going up. The ES, you ain't gotta worry about that, but the ES is just the NASDAQ. You gotta worry about that crap. And yeah, I was telling
Yeah, I
Smith,
think.
go ahead.
Oh, go ahead. No, go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I was telling Smith, y'all saw where my targets was at on Friday. You know I didn't take no damn profits. And it kind of pisses me off that she was struggling to get my targets hit, and then over the weekend she gaps up and hits both of them. Like,
Yeah, she didn't give us any of our targets to the upside.
mm-hmm.
We had it in the 900s, and
Yep.
it didn't make it to 900, did it?
No,
Friday? I don't
nah.
remember.
I think the most it got up to was like 70 or something like that, like 7 or at least on the micros 880. It got to 880s on the micros.
Oh,
That's 880. Oh, I do want to. So the institutions are still long and strong, baby. The commercials even added to their shorts. And actually, the commercials been consistently adding to their position for the last 1, 2, 3, for the last 4 weeks. For the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the last 5 weeks, the commercials have been adding to their shorts. And this week, the institutions are 59% long and 41% short this week, and they got 19,000 net long contracts net long right now. So I think we'll get some shorts, but obviously the move is to the upside. See, the move is definitely to the upside this week, so just be prepared for that. There's a lot of aggressive buying right there on Bookmap, but at the same time, I mean, I guess this thing could get up to 30, but I mean, I doubt that they'll do it over the weekend. I mean, not over the weekend, over in pre-market. I mean, can this thing continue to go up?
Crowd shorts. We break this high because ES is looking too suspect.
Yeah, I agree, man. I agree, and it found support right there. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to be looking for the rejection at 620. That's what I'm going to be looking for. I mean, if you don't see that rejection at 620, then I guess I'll just have to find another play. Unless the ES just takes a crap right here. Which I mean it could, but and then obviously after that gap fill will be a good long. Honestly, a good long will probably be at the top of this gap at 6K. That's probably where people's going to be trying to come in at. Another good long would probably be the complete gap fill here at 990. Probably around like 88 or something like that. Because ES is definitely going to fill that gap. It's just the Nasdaq you got to watch out for.
Yeah, they'll probably fill. I don't think they're gonna do it pre-market though. Probably seems like a New York session objective. I could be wrong though, but that's what I'm gonna guess for now.
Oh shit. Well, 58% of top step traders are short the Nasdaq, so this shit gonna keep going long. They short right now. They're 80% short on CL right now. That's interesting. I wonder why.
Said they're 80% short on what?
CL right now.
CL. Oh man, chart. Is it the same? Do they trade CL the same as NQ? Because if you said they're majority short NQ, yeah, you got to go long.
Yeah.
Hate them.
Yeah, I know, Alfred. That kind of pissed me off because you know that was where my target was. You know that was exactly where my target.
CCL.
You say
Yeah, I
game
mean
weight,
it's
say remember
sold
you
off,
said that.
but
And it was a trap, right? It was a trap, remember? Gain weight. It definitely was a trap. You went long at that gap. You got trapped. Because it does the
CL
same thing. It front ran it the first time, and then people that went long to fill the gap got trapped. They got long at that gap fill on the Nasdaq. It got trapped.
Watch CL pump like 50 cents, 40, 50 cents back into to retest that supply up there. Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I'm okay.
Go ahead.
So no, my guess is long CL. Long CL.
Let me pull out a CL chart because maybe I just want to see why people are shorting the shit out of her right now. I just want to see why. Because there's like 80% of people short right now on CL, and that don't even sound right.
80% is crazy.
Yeah. Dude, what the hell? It
But
shouldn't be on the January. Hold on, is for some reason my CL chart is not. Are they on the January contract already on CL? Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I can see why they're short. Or no, let me see this real quick. Yeah, that's a long one. Oh, never mind. I stand corrected. If it holds this little area right here, this little range, and this is a long. They hold that area right there.
yeah. Actually, they're probably gonna try to get it down to 70, 85, and 70, 90. I
Okay, so
would
this
say.
must be wrong. This must be wrong. Oh no, that might be right. All right. We'll see.
You took a.
Yeah, I took a long in the sim. I want to see if they
Oh,
hold it.
man.
Took a long in the sim. I did not. This is
Okay.
not a real trade. No, I just want to see what happens. I just want to see what happens. All right. We'll come back to that and see what happens. What I'm kind of mad about, kind of like what you said with Jim Cramer. It's crazy how Jim Cramer was the main one talking about how Bitcoin was a scam to his audience, and then as soon as he was like, okay, yeah, buy into Bitcoin, and thing, it just dumps. I just think that's
Yeah,
like the most funniest thing in the world.
I like Bitcoin. It's a good play. I saw a clip of him. Yeah, you can just go and see his track record. It's comical. I don't know why people even listen to that dude.
Yeah,
But
it's
then I
crazy.
think people purposely do the opposite just to keep it going. They'd be like, "Oh, Kramer said this." You know they got the inverse Kramer ETF.
How much is that up? I know he was. I know he was right for like a while.
I don't know. I don't even pay attention to it. I just think it's so funny though.
Say he's a pro at the pump and dump.
Yeah, he'll be right on some things
Mm-hmm.
sometimes, but it's just hilarious that everybody that the meme about him is just inverse whatever he says and you'll be fine.
Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin.
Spot price is at what 97.
Yeah, I hate that.
We probably
Yeah, kind of
maybe
hate that
would.
Bitcoin trades 24/7. We can't get it on futures. I hate that. We deserve that on Bitcoin futures. We deserve 24-hour trading. Bump everybody else.
Nobody would sleep.
We don't need sleep. We don't need it.
Man, I got so bad in the beginning when I started trading that on the weekends I'd switch to crypto. I think I told you this, and you like, what? Nah, man, you crazy. I'm like, yeah, I needed something to do, so I trade crypto on the weekends.
Hmm.
Back then, though, I don't do that.
Mm. Yeah, I mean this range holds. That's a long one on CL. This range holds. So I get an account on a crypto exchange. He said 24 hours, 24/7 futures would take your life over. Yeah. I mean, like I said, at this point, I mean, what else you gonna do? I mean, on the weekend, we're all bored and shit. It's like, what else you gonna do?
You the Pablo meme, just sitting there, just sitting there waiting, patiently waiting for the market to open back up. Yeah, Alfred, that was me too. Like, all right, crypto. You can, yeah, you could trade crypto futures. Which exchange you use, Alfred? And did you like it? I was in Bybit for a little bit. What's the other one? Uh, you got to put up your own. You got to put up your own Bitcoin or whatever crypto you're trading. You got to put up your own, and then of course you can trade it on leverage, like 100x leverage. Straight degen, generates. Yeah, I don't remember. Said I need peace in my life. I deleted it.
I mean, I forgot which one I used.
It was one. Still got them on my phone, but I don't use them. VMAX? I'm not. I think that's one too, but I don't know.
Okay. All right, that should be done. That should be good. On TradingView, try to charge me for some. I mean, they got a bunch of subscriptions. They try to charge me for what is that thing called, like the live data for the futures. I didn't even know that was separate. I just saw this random ass charge. I was like, what the hell? I did not buy this, but apparently I did. I guess I bought it at a discount. I think it was probably like $4 or $12, and then they tried to hit me with a $100 charge for data that I got on NinjaTrader 8. Like, I don't know what the hell. Get my money back. And then they made it hard. I had to find a way to get my refund. Like, dude, they like with these little chat bots, they make it hard for you to get your refund. Like, you got to go through hoops and shit. You got to kind of lie about it first, and then turn around once you actually get to a representative, be like, yeah, I want my refund, motherfucker. Trying to take money from me. When I finally got to a representative, I was like, fine, give my money back. Being eggs.
No, I ain't never heard of.
Yeah, I try to stay away from trading too much crypto, honestly. Like, well, I mean, I'm still buying and holding my XRP, and we'll see where that goes. I'm kind of sad that I sold $300 worth of it back in the day. I guess it wasn't going nowhere, so I was like, ain't no point. I don't mind losing. Like, I think I had like maybe $500 in it altogether. I kept two and took out three, and now I look like an ass because now my brother's up 4K. He held all his XRP and he's up 4K now.
How you think I felt? I had a XRP back when it first hit Coinbase and stuff.
Oh, did you?
But I've just been selling because they wouldn't do it. Like you had to wait years. I mean, I
Mm,
guess if you were like a maximalist or whatever, oh XRP, you had to wait how many years? The last all-time high was what?
like all the way back in like 20, like that first crypto run.
2017, 2018, somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then it's crypto. So it's like, see, you be down so long for years, and you be like, I don't think people can really take that psychologically.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I guess if you put, I guess like, I think yeah, that's exactly right. It's how you look at it. See, I was like, well, shit. I guess if I lose $200, it's only $200. I guess that's how I was looking at it. And I kind of like,
Yeah.
dude, I forgot about it until he was like, yo, XRP pumping. I was like, oh shit. And then I went to my wallet. I forgot my password and everything. I had to go through that whole process of resetting that damn thing. I forgot about that shit.
Damn. Fashion. Yep. Forget about it. I guess set and forget. Just keep that password handy.
Mm-hmm.
Come back in 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years, all right.
See some I didn't see some crazy predictions thrown out for XRP.
Mm, okay. I don't know why he's asking me these questions now. Don't know why he's asking me these questions. All right, let's see where SPY is at. Yeah, Dogecoin, yeah, it definitely dropped. I mean, yeah, Dogecoin's about to drop. I'll pick it. I'll pick up some coins once it gets to like 40 cents. Probably 40, 41 cents. I'll probably pick up some coins.
You said 4. Where's it at right now?
That like 42. Hold on, where did that guy say that he bought it? Because I mean, it reached a high to of like 43, 43. Did he buy the top?
Oh, that the person I sent.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see, he bought. That's so funny. So he bought at.
Damn.
I think he's at break even. He bought at 41. Yeah, 41. 41.6.
41.6.
So
He's close to break even. So okay,
and then
so finish your thought, bro.
he's a little bit in profit. Dang, look at NQ with the 5-point pump.
Yeah, I kind of figured that NQ was gonna play that game. Like, dude, we play this game with NQ so often. We know. We know that if the EMAs ain't agreeing with the short, we know not to take it. I mean, shit, you might get a pullback, but the Bulls will definitely buy off these EMAs for sure. You gotta wait for the EMAs to help support the short. We play this game all the time with Nasdaq.
See any MBT setups? You ain't want to take that long.
I thought about it, but with Nasdaq with Bitcoin, it's just like with gold. If you don't get the perfect entry, you gotta wait for it again because that shit will
Yeah,
pull back. Yeah, if you don't get the perfect entry, that's just too much. Um, yeah, that's too much. That's too much.
take
Honestly,
tops.
honestly, if they don't break out of this range and find support, they can possibly break this range and come right back down to 96.5, probably somewhere in this range. Probably somewhere in this
Yeah,
range right here.
I was thinking somewhere in between 96.4 and 96.7.
Hmm.
Ooh, but man, yeah, if it breaks that,
Hmm.
94,
Bear
94,
City big.
yeah, money to be made too. If it breaks that,
Yep. Bear City, bitch. Bear City. I highly doubt that we get back to 100K without a drop. I highly doubt it. There's no way that this pumps back up to 100K. I highly doubt that. But that's crazy. That thing said $500 million was lost during that drop on Bitcoin, though. That's crazy. That's
people
crazy to think
always
about.
it's it's funny because they always be over leveraged. Why are you gonna be over leveraged near the top, near the highs? You know
Hmm.
that's a psychological level that everybody wants to see hit to prove a lot of people wrong and whatever the reason, blah blah blah.
Hmm.
Oh, Bitcoin's never getting to 100K. It practically did get to 100K. You could all stop that.
Yep, it practically did. And I knew it
Just
was
six
going to front
figures.
run the shit out of that damn thing. I knew it was going to do it.
Yeah. Yep. We had already talked about that.
Hmm.
Talked about the orders sitting at 98 and the ones sitting at 99, sell
Hmm.
orders.
Yep. I mean, we damn near called the
The
top.
spot, yeah, this was spot price too. So I was looking at
Hmm.
spot price and you kind of play that in the futures on the future side. But yeah, there was orders sitting at 98K and 99K
Hmm.
to take profit. Now, I mean, that's basically, I mean, people want to see that psychological six-figure number, which is going to hit eventually. But yeah, said that was a good short setup. What
Hmm.
happened? play out.
Yeah, but I
Sold
was
off at
like,
98 first. Yep. Got to 99. Sold off again.
mm-hmm.
On the future side. On the future side. Yeah. Let me
Yeah.
clarify that.
Hold on, give me a second. Let me put my daughter to bed real quick.
I got a big to that exchange. Leverage it, flip it.
But yeah, we all knew that this drop on Bitcoin was gonna happen. It was gonna front run the shit out of 100K. Now it's gonna probably be like a deep pullback on this thing. And the Bulls are definitely gonna have to prove that they want it. I mean, we could possibly see a move back up to like 92, 91-ish, possibly on spot price. And yeah, I'm pretty sure they're gonna kind of come back here on 96, 95 to kind of retest this breakout. And that's what I'm gonna look for. Out of this range. We'll see what happens after price in that range. We'll see what happens.
We could potentially get another Trump crypto pump.
Especially, yeah, especially in the new year when he's actually inaugurated, we'll probably get like another pump. And people wanted Kamala to win. We wouldn't got this crypto pump.
See if I could do something. See, do I still got access to my crypto?
Yeah, I'm not buying Shiba new. I'm not buying that shit. I'm not buying it, man. I was looking at that too because I was thinking that it would have pumped with Doge, but it did not. Shiba Nu is obviously dead right now. Like that thing's dead. I wish I took my profits when I had them, but I mean the hype was so strong with that damn coin. I held on to it because I wanted to be a crypto millionaire. I guess it wasn't in the cards for your boy Sherm, huh? It just wasn't in the cards. It just was not in the cards. Yep. Yep. I was here, right here at the top, people. And that thing just kept selling off. I
Oh,
mean,
damn. Oh, way up there.
no, I didn't bought it. I was somewhere in this area. I was up like 8K at the top. And I only took out 4. And I had 4 left, thinking that, I'm going to take the 4K and I'm going to become a millionaire. And that didn't happen, obviously. I was in the wrong coin. I was in a fucking wrong coin.
At least you took some profit. No, that's proud of you for that.
Yeah, because I would have been super pissed. I mean, I still left 4K on the table, but yeah, I would have been super pissed. So I'm holding it for 5 years. I'm gonna be a millionaire. It's gonna eventually hit a penny. And like, what the fuck, man? This ain't even touch no penny at all, dude. That shit's dead.
It's got so long to go to hit a penny.
Dude, that's what I was waiting for. I was like, the way it was so hyped up, it was like, oh my God, Shiba Inu is, I think, teaming up with AMC or something stupid like that. Like it's doing something. It's making it like a what is it, NFT, or it was something. It was so much hype. Like, oh my God, it's gonna do this. Ah, yeah, it did nothing. All right, that shit dropped. That's so funny. All right. Yeah, it did not reach a penny. But I made money off of it, so I can't complain. I mean, I made money. Obviously, I didn't put too much in investment. I bought it when it was like at the bottom. Like I think it was in the 700s or the 800s. That shit pumped. I was up like 8K. I took half of that off, thinking that, I'll just take off half and I'll just let the rest run. I mean, I made sure I had enough to become a millionaire. I made sure. I did the
Yeah.
math on that one. I was like, okay, I could take this off, and when it gets to a penny, I'll be happy. I'll be a millionaire. But that was not in the cards for your boy Sherm. So, yeah, at least not at the time. I will say though, I mean, it's just one of those double-edged swords. Double-edged swords. If I became a millionaire in this time period before I made it to where I'm at now, I wouldn't be here. I'm not going to sit here. I mean, it would be highly unlikely that I would be here. I would be somewhere completely different in life. I wouldn't have learned nothing. I just would have had a lot of money. I'd have been uh, highly egotistical. Like, nah, yeah, I made money off of crypto. You can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. And that's just the dangers of making money fast without learning nothing. Because once you get the money, it's just a challenge to learn new tricks, because you feel like, well, why do I need to learn it? I'm already a millionaire, or I got this X amount of money in the bank. I wouldn't learn nothing about investment. I would have known nothing about how money actually works. I probably would have blew it all probably by now, buying stupid shit. So I mean, like I said, it would have been nice to get that money at that time, but I guess, yeah, whatever. It would have been a good thing, I guess. Hmm. He says, so was I one of those dudes? Uh, yeah, probably. You could say that. Yeah. Yeah, especially during this time, 2021, 2022. I was definitely I'm not gonna say and lie to you. Nope, I was totally a different person. Totally a different person. My mindset was totally different back then. I mean, shit. The only thing I cared about was making money and talking to females. That was basically it. I mean, nothing else really mattered. That's it. But obviously, I've grown since then. I knew nothing about money, knew nothing about how money actually worked. I knew none of that stuff. Or actually, a better way of saying I didn't care to know because it's like, well, shit, the way I was thinking, as long as I got money, what else do you need? And it's easy to think that way if you don't understand how the world works. It's easy to think that way if you don't understand how the world works. So that's how I thought. Mm. No, the ego part. Uh, um, well, I don't know. I mean, I guess that's true for some people because I kind of like, I guess at the time, I understood that money doesn't really mean anything, but it definitely allows you to live what kind of life you want to live. Like, and that's what I meant. You can't tell me nothing. Like, you can't tell me that because you know, like how some people say that, oh, cryptocurrency is a scam, or you can't tell me nothing like that because I made money. You go to work, you went to work slaving, and if Shiba Inu actually did go to a penny like everybody thought it was going to, I would have been a millionaire, and you couldn't tell me nothing. Don't have to worry about clocking in at nobody else's job, being a part of somebody else's dream, or building their dream, building their vision instead of working on your own. And okay, yeah, okay, I'll give you that game weight now that I'm really thinking about it. Because, like I said, my mindset was just money and females back then. And so, if I had more money, that means it gave me more time to think about females. So, yeah, I guess, yeah, yeah, I guess so. Yeah, the luxury trips, the luxury cars, the luxury homes, all that. Have a luxury lifestyle, and I can do whatever the hell I want to do. But and like I said, as I think back at that time of my life, yeah, probably not. That probably wouldn't have been the best thing for me, obviously, because I wouldn't have learned nothing, and I never would have even wanted to learn anything after that, or at least I don't think so. I don't think I would have gone down as deep as I have. Mm. Well, I guess we never know. It's all speculation because obviously my life didn't go down that path, so it's all speculation at this point. But she never got to a penny, so uh, I wouldn't be surprised if I probably do still got some coins somewhere. But I actually haven't even logged into my Coinbase account. Dude, if I got some coins in my Coinbase account, actually, do I got coins? Let me actually look at that. I wouldn't be surprised if I do. I probably have to reset my password and all that crap. Mm.
Yeah, you probably ain't gonna get no real action till it gets closer to Euro.
Yeah, it probably won't.
Euro open. I'm about to head out. Like
All right, bro.
I said, I'll be back on. You in any position or no?
No, no, no. Nah,
Okay.
I usually like to run until like at least 9:30. At least 9. Maybe 10 if we're talking about something, but at least 9. But I mean, it's cool.
I see your short setup for ES. Are you looking see anything? Oh, okay.
I mean, that's for Nasdaq, but I'm
Q.
definitely going to keep my eyes at R4 for the ES, R4 on the ES, because I'm thinking that we might see a drop at 620. The reason why I say that, I mean, I might be kind of front running the front run because we could see 625, we could see 622 ish, 622 ish, 625. So I could be front running the front run. We got point of control at 615, so if we see a stop run, I mean, they do got a value area high at 620 right here. So I'm just gonna keep it at 619. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But um, this is why I'm looking for a short here in this area right here. All this consolidation, they're definitely gonna kind of want to fill those unfilled short orders in this area for that dump down. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see.
Yeah.
And the Nasdaq, I'm just waiting for that golden zone to get touched, and we'll see what happens at that golden zone. Yeah, that's why I caught a limit
Oh,
right
okay.
there.
Yeah.
But I will say that there is aggressive buying. There's definitely aggressive buying. I do see it on Bookmap. The bulls ain't giving this up. The CVD is mad positive right now on ES. So uh, I think that probably the safest thing to do would probably wait until tomorrow, but I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it here because I do think before we see any real movement up, they're gonna want to come back and fill this gap first, and then we can see the market makes its way up because I mean, and this is just like any other gap open at gaps, and then they come back and they fill the gap, and then they go up. So I mean, yeah.
It'll be interesting to see what happens at London. See if they sell it off or even Euro open. See if they sell it off or what? Because like I said, they've been selling off each open except for that one day when they
Mhm.
finally. I think that's when I think that was the day I had that 10K trade. The one day they finally bought it up like old times.
Mhm.
And called it
Jelly Bean says that it's going to be bullish this week because they historically has always been bullish during the Thanksgiving week. I'll give you that, and it does kind of go against, not go against, but it goes with the institutional buying. They're 58% long, 59% long this week, and only 41% short. So I definitely agree. I definitely agree that I will be looking for longs more than shorts. But
Can't wait.
well, this is why we don't ever
Say,
want.
come in the chat room. You're not gonna save your longs here. Say hi first. I'm short.
Hmm.
I mean, we do got this gap, so that's always something to think about.
Mhm.
They do that surprise dump, or don't be surprised. They dump on you. Cause
Mhm.
yeah, cause freaking Veterans Day didn't go as I thought it would this year, this time around
That was November 11th, right?
for
Yeah,
NQ. Yeah,
November 11th. Let's see what happened.
that mess was kind
Because,
of trash,
yeah, wasn't it? Yeah.
if I remember correct.
Yeah, because I think we got that dump. Yeah, we got that dump, I think. It was November 11th was Veterans Day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got that dump. But then I mean, we got the pump though. We got the Trump pump. And so I guess it just made sense for them to be like, yeah, we're just gonna sell this thing off because we got the Trump pump. And the
Oh
Trump
yeah,
pump, yeah, kept
before.
going up.
Yeah, the Trump pump. Well, yeah, that was serious, and I missed all of it. Oh my god, don't remind me. I missed
Yeah,
all of that glorious move. Oh my gosh.
trying to fight it. Trying to fight it.
No,
Uh,
I wouldn't fight it. I just wasn't in the market.
no, I fought that damn
I
thing.
literally missed. Oh, you were trying to fight.
I fought
I
that thing all
literally
the way
missed
up.
it. I was like, no,
Cause
it's not fair.
I went tilt that day.
I would have logged it. I would have logged it. It's
Hmm.
not fair.
Yeah, I went tilt that day because I think I forgot why. I just went tilt that day and fought the damn thing all the way up as I was saying, yeah, this shit should go up now. And because I think I messed up somewhere and I just fought it all the way because I wanted the short because I guess yeah, because I missed the opportunity. I missed a good entry or I let a good entry go away because I think I messed up and I just wanted it to short so I can get my long back. So I kept shorting it. Yeah, that shit. That dude. I mean, nah. I'm not falling for this. I'm not falling for that. I mean, you might get moved back down, but they're gonna probably pump this thing back up, man. I ain't falling for this. I'm not falling for it, Nasdaq. I know your ways. ES is still pumping. She ain't ready to short yet. So I'm shorting 620
Gonna
on that
remove.
on ES.
You gonna remove your order, or are you keeping it on NQ?
No, I'm keeping them both on NQ and on because I mean it's in the same area. Because I almost shorted it here, but I was like, nah, they're gonna probably want to get to this range right here.
What if she goes to 630 and drops though,
Well,
or 6030? Wasn't there was some key area on ES when it was in the 6K range?
I
think it
know,
was
I
there.
know 620. I mean, we could see a move to 630. We could. Not saying that we can't.
Not off. Yeah, yeah. I don't see it off the you know R4 on my 5 minute is at 16. So
At 16.
yeah,
Yeah, R4 is at 619, 620 ish. I'm thinking like 20 will probably be like that level. 20, 25 ish, probably at the most. 25 is probably the most. So I'm gonna keep it right here. We'll see. I'm gonna let this run overnight. And if I lose money, we're gonna get it back, baby. I mean, I'm just gonna take a book out of take a page out of Alfred's book. Don't be afraid. Don't overthink that shit. Just take it. Either I'm gonna make profits, I'm gonna lose, or I'm gonna break even. That's the only three options that can happen in this position. That's it. And if I shall lose, then I'll make the money back tomorrow. I think my new strategy is that I'm gonna focus more on the ES now and just have Nasdaq as extra money because I can trade heavier size with ES and feel comfortable, and then have like the Nasdaq like 3 micro contract at the most to kind of add on to a winning position. on my ES trade. I think that's how I'm gonna do it from now on. I think that's probably the best way how to do this, honestly. I think I'm gonna do it that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm still looking at this glorious short right here that I took on the ES last week. Look at that damn beautiful short right there. Nice clean double top, stop above the highs, caught this whole damn thing down, baby. And then we got the retest. We got some more money. I mean, this trade right here is like I said, it's damn near guaranteed on the ES, man. This trade right here, that retest.
Just gotta wait for it.
Yeah, you just gotta wait for it, dude. That retest is always like damn near always a guarantee.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You see, yeah, you shorted there again. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I remember because we shorted right there again. We made so much money. Oh, we made some, and then I fucked up, and this is where I went short in my funded account. That's where I went short on my funded account at the bottom. This thing popped right up.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah. Or hold on, was it? It was at no. Which low was it? No, I think it was. It was either this low or it was this low. It was one of these lows. No, it was this one because I was shooting for it. I was like, yeah, maybe you can get down to where them orders was at on Bookmap 888, and that's why I went short right here because this is exactly the candle. Yeah, I remember this shit because this is the candle right here that bounced off of my break even and I lost limit in my account. Oh man, she gave me a chance. I can't say she didn't. I mean, but it was just nasty how she just touched my break even and just went. Yeah, Alfred, it definitely is. I won't do that foolish shit again. I was just euphoric at the time, and I figured that I can at least have one of my funded accounts because I made my daily maximum profit in two of my funded accounts. I had one more that I hadn't touched yet, so I figured, uh, let me just get my money in that one so I can have all three of my funded accounts at least have a profit. But yeah, that one hit daily loss limit, so unfortunately, that one I have to kind of bring back. I have to bring that one back. All right, bro. You say you good right here? I mean, I guess I can end it 10 minutes or at least not a big deal. You good?
oh, yeah. I mean, I'll come back tomorrow. I'll trade some micros, but I
Mm-hmm.
hit we passed the account. So, yeah, I'll
I mean,
trade micros just to, keep the practice in, look for good entries, but
mm-hmm.
I ain't going crazy tomorrow.
You get another account. I think I'll activate my other funded accounts after this week because I'm not going to I just like I'm sorry, what's your name? Jelly Bean Algo. I was like I said, I was thinking the same thing. I think we're just going to get some abnormal price action, some bullish price action, where the market is just going to probably grind up. Excuse me. And as people try to come in and short this damn thing, it's just going to squeeze them out, and the market is just going to continue just to squeeze higher. And I think that's probably what's going to happen this week. So,
I got
yeah.
that feeling too. Yep, I got that same feeling. It just
Hmm.
looks too suspect right now.
Yeah.
Maybe we see a drop at Euro or London, but I'll just have to wait and see for that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Black Friday sales coming with these prop firms. I
We'll see
already
what
got an email
happens.
from Trade Day.
Oh, trade day.
I have might have to give them a shot again. They said, yeah, they're doing one.
Top
and they
Step
gonna
said they
have
ain't
it up
doing nothing.
in
They're saying
minutes.
absolutely none. Like Top Step says, nah, we giving away too many of the free resets. Y'all ain't getting no more. They adamant about that shit. I randomly went into the Discord the other day, and they was like, yeah, "Are we getting a black? we getting a Black Friday sale?" One of the mods said, "No," with the the Bugs Bunny me. No. No. Yeah, Top Step says y'all pissed them off so much about the what is that damn called? Fire drill, fire drill. They said no, we ain't doing it. But we know what the real reason is. MFF came with that $80
That was a-
combine. It was like, oh shit. You said what?
I'm like, well, that's their fault. That was their own downfall right there. It was a double-edged sword. Like,
Mm-hmm.
people, once you start it, everybody gonna ask about it in your little YouTube TV crap.
Mm-hmm.
So you gotta live with that since you decided to do it.
Yep.
Trying to see if there's never really any news on Mondays.
Nah, Mondays are like kind of like the let's get back into the swing of things.
Yeah.
50% on trade day, huh?
I check anyway just to surprise whatever. 51. Yeah, trade day, they don't like doing you can tell they don't like doing discounts like that.
I mean, trade day, come on, man. Like, come on. Come on. I mean, I will give it to trade day that, I mean, they're still in the game. So obviously, they're not losing too much money. But they're still in the game. And it seems like everybody's doing that whole Top Step model thing. I mean, that's how you know that. I mean, Top Step is still, I guess, in the conversation because it was like, well, people still want to trade Top Step. So I guess we might as well use that Top Step model. 20% off with the code Go Funded. Hmm. Yeah, I'm at 80. Oh, okay. That's okay. I mean, all right. I mean, I guess that's a good deal, but then that's still expensive. I mean, is anybody buying a trade day account for $300 a month? 150K account for 15 contracts? And you're only saving what? So hold on. Don't you got like a $4,500 drawdown with Top Step? Isn't it like $4,500?
I don't remember. I'm banned. I'm bad for that. I don't remember.
Okay, yeah, it's $4,500.
If they cite since.
You can't. That's not funny, but it's funny. I mean,
Don't ask me. I don't know. That's funny. It's funny after the fact. I gotta laugh about it to keep myself from crying.
yeah, because that changed the whole trajectory of what you wanted to do. Yeah, yeah. I mean, okay, trade day. I mean, like I said, I wouldn't. Me personally, trade day is not on my radar until they come up with something serious. I mean, like I said, MFF is my home until somebody comes up. I mean, with the way that I trade, my trading style fits perfectly with their funded accounts. Because I mean, I've gotten like 8 payouts with them so far, but it fits perfectly with me. But not a lot of people, because I mean, I hit daily loss limit in that account on Friday, and that means I have to trade an extra 2 or 3 days in that account, which I'm not going to be a fan of. I don't want to trade an extra 2 or 3 days, and that's like the only downside about trading with them on the funded side with their consistency rule. If you have a if you lose, you can't lose too much money on a day. Like a $500 red day on MFF, that 80K account or the 50K account, you really can't lose more than 500 because if you do, then the longer you hold your losers, the more days you have to trade. If you hit daily loss limit, I damn near have to trade 2 or 3 more days before getting a payout, which sucks. But I mean, it can be done. It can definitely be done. But I'm just gonna hate when I get to that 5th day and be like, damn, I could have just took a payout. Mm. Damn, that does look like that shit wants to short now. It does. Yeah, that does kind of look like a double top short. Oh my God, on Nasdaq. Look at that liquidity sweep right there. That does look like a short. That does look like a short. That does look like a freaking short. Damn it. Damn, that does look like a short. Man, damn it. Damn. Okay. All right, guys. I guess that's it. I mean, the market's not really doing anything. We'll come back tomorrow morning. Me, Smith, will come back. Yeah, are you traded London, Smith, or you gonna wait? You gonna wait to New York?
I'm gonna wait till New York, man. Starting my week off tired and stressed, messing around with London. And sometimes I don't know. There do be good opportunities
Hmm.
with London, but is anything like that? Was it last week? I guess the opportunities kind of suck, and it's just been best to wait till the morning. So I'm gonna wait.
Okay. But all right, guys. We'll definitely. Crap. Is it dumping? Man, that's gonna dump, man. Damn it, that's gonna dump. Man. I thought about shorting this. All
They
right,
got the
man.
short.
He said what?
The game weight got the short.
Of course, Gainway's gonna always have this. Well, shit. Well, hold on. Why the hell is Gainway short? Supposed to be a
Game
bull.
weight's been very he's been on the
Bearish.
bear side a lot lately. I
Yeah.
noticed that last week.
Yeah. He's supposed to be
I
a.
think he actually listened to one of his bear friends on a position on a play. They had messaged him, "Hey, get out," and then he did, and it dumped. I thought that was interesting. I'm like, okay.
They unbanned gain weight. He stopped coming at them with their with the bullish thesis. It's like, damn it, gain weight. I have my kids' college funding this short. Shut the. I want to hope on this.
uh,
Got all my trust fund money in this short. I don't want to hear your bullish thesis. You say you don't trust gaps? Like I said, I don't trust gaps on the Nasdaq. Like if it fills that gap, it's a trap. I mean, already that's a saying for a reason. You said 908. I mean, yeah, I'll give you. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure that exactly that's probably what it'll come in at. Is at 908 at this 50 EMA right here. Because you know they're not going to fill this gap. They're going to come to the bottom of it, get the bears super short right here, and then they're going to clap them like they always do on the Nasdaq. Damn it, I should have took it. Shit.
Test the high. Oh man, that was a perfect. Did they hit the same spot? 68. 68. Yep, exactly.
Yeah,
Double top to the T, then drop.
yeah.
The- Well, hopefully y'all at least get 940. Um,
Oh
Well,
yeah. We got that trend indicator right here sitting at 940. This could possibly be like a little bear trap right here. Possibly. But like I said, even if we do get a short, the EMAs are definitely still sloping up. And that means that the bulls are definitely going to buy this as it goes down. So I mean, if you're not scalping short, just make sure that you got an area where you need to get out. Obviously, the top right there at 908 is a good first target, first good TP. Because they might, exactly, that's exactly where they'll buy it at. Or they might try to trap below R3 right here. So, to which one? Which time frame?
those still ticks.
Yeah, you know it's all about the ticks, baby. I mean, I do agree with this right here. I do agree that 980 probably was that freaking high right here. And I was looking at it, but then I kind of overthought it and thought that nah, they're gonna probably try to try to gap above that. But I mean, I guess it could come back down here. I mean, I think eventually it will, but
Well, I got a golden zone on the 5 minute between 942. So, and then that would kind of match up with this candle here. So that failed. It hit
mm,
VWAP previously and failed. It was at 630. So maybe that's what I said. Hopefully, y'all at least get 940.
mm-hmm.
But yeah, 942.
I'm gonna assume that yeah, this is the 60-minute right here gain weight, and if this is the one you're looking at, then yeah, yeah. Yeah, I mean that's a sucky thing about when the market gaps up because you have to wait for all the foolishness before the market starts to really move the way it's supposed to. You gotta wait for it to fill the gap, for them to trap buyers, they trap the bears, and then consolidate and then wait for the breakout before you can actually start for trading for real. Hmm. Okay.
I ain't in nothing. I'm gonna wait, let
Yeah,
them
me too.
air it out and see what happens in the morning.
Okay. All right, guys. We'll end it here. We'll come back at 8:30 tomorrow money. Tomorrow money. Tomorrow morning and we'll make some more money.
That's right. We're gonna make some more money tomorrow.
Yep.
Some money.
Tomorrow money, baby.
Make that tomorrow money.
Yeah, we can start saying that. Yeah, make that tomorrow money, baby. And with that said,
Futures.
peace out, everybody.
Later, y'all. All right, bro.